In this video, we will learn how to use magnifier in window. Let's start. I have already written down some shortcut keys. Here you see. For magnifier and read loud, you can use the shortcut key, Windows logo key and plus sign. So let's start how it's used. So I press here the window logo key and plus sign. So here you see the magnifier is open. There's a first option, you can zoom in and zoom out the window. When I click the plus, the zoom in and zoom out for minus. Here the second last option is a read from here. Just click on it and I want to read from here. So just click here.
Magnifier and read alone Windows logo key and plus.
Here you see the magnifier read anything. Okay. Now this is a setting option. Just click on the setting. You can set the speed also here. Okay. Okay. So I want to read slowly. You can set the speed 40%. If you want to read this fast way, just set the fast. Here you see slow, normal and fast option. You can set where you want. And here you see the voice. You can select the voice of that person and country wise. Okay. This is a way you can use the magnifier read to you. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.